Hello friends, welcome to Dream Civil Services. Hope so you all are doing well. Today's topic is famous freedom fighters. This is very important for PT exam point of view. So please concentrate. Now first freedom fighter is Sir Chotu Ram. So know about Sir Chotu Ram. He is one of the most prominent pre-independence politician in Punjab, and even he has the interest of Jat peasantry, and he was born on 24th November 1881 in Rohtak. Gargi Sampla is a some village in Rohtak. And now about him, his education is he joined primary school in January 1891. Then he studied in the middle school from Jhajjar. And he did graduation from which college? St. Stephen College of Delhi University with distinction in Sanskrit. So this question was asked in previous year PT exam of HCS. Now next is in 1920 and 1930 he founded many organizations, and he was the chief inspiration behind the Jat identity in Punjab society. So Sir Chotu Ram linked with the Punjab society. And next point is Sir title is given by whom? So this point is also important for PT exam. Sir title is given by the Britishers. He did help of Britishers in recruiting the Jats for the British Indian Army in World War II. So इन्होंने Britishers की help की थी World War II में by recruiting Jats की recruitment करके Indian Army में. Now he opposed concept of Pakistan and formed the separate group of member in Punjab Assembly. Next important freedom fighter is Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai is known as Punjab Kesari or Lion of Punjab, and he was born on which day? 28th January 1865, and where? Ludhiana, Punjab. There is a place Jagran. And now come to education part. He studied law from Government College of Lahore, and then after that he shifted to Hisar for his law practice. And his political career started in 1888 when Indian National Congress session was held in Allahabad. So यहाँ से इनका political career start हुआ था. And he met with the Bipin Chandrapal and Bal Gangadhar Tilak in which session of Indian National Congress? Next session, which is held in 1889 in Bombay. So these three extremists are very famous, Bal Pal Bal के नाम से. And he participated in the struggle against the partition of Bengal in 1905 में भी इन्होंने participate किया था. And even he participated in Savdeshi movement from where? Hisar. Now next is Rao Tula Ram. Rao Tula Ram is one of the important leader of Indian rebellion of 1857 from Haryana, and he considered as the state hero of Haryana. And he was born on 9 December 1885 at which place? Gariboli in village of Rampura, Rewari. So he belonged to Rewari. And his father name was Puran Singh, and his grandfather was Rao Tet Singh. And one of the important contribution of him in 1857 revolt is when he heard about the Meerut rebellion, and he then started the leadership of the people in Rewari to participate in the revolt of 1857 from Meerut also. And his cousin is also very important. His name is Gopal Dev. He also stood by him, और उन्होंने भी इनकी help की थी as his military commander बनके. Now the battle of Narnaul is also very important, and in this battle Rao Tula Ram forces and Britishers forces were fought between a decisive battle which was marked the beginning of end of crucial period of struggle in Haryana region. So इस battle ने क्या decide किया था? Struggle जो है यहाँ से end हो गई थी from Haryana and even from northern Rajasthan. So this battle is also very important, Battle of Narnaul. Now come to Seth Sir Chhajju Ram. He is also one of the leading Jat from Haryana, and he made his contribution in Kolkata during the Britishers' time. And he was also a philanthropist, and he did many work or project under the social societies. and he was born in the village Alakpura, Bhiwani. So he belonged to Bhiwani, and he was born in 1861. And he is known as Munshi Ji. So this point is also important. Which freedom fighter is known as Munshi Ji? So his name is Seth Sir Chajju Ram. And he is known as Munshi Ji because he had good knowledge of Hindi and English, and also he did some correspondence work for the Seths. In 1927, he was elected as a member of Punjab Legislative Assembly from non-Mohammedan ruler constituency of Hisar. So this point is also very important. Now next is Arjun Singh Gujjar. Arjun Singh Gujjar was born in Sirsa to a Gujjar family, and he also a very important freedom fighter as he participated in Satyagraha and Quit India movement. So Arjun Singh Gujjar is linked with which two important movement like Satyagraha and Quit India movement. And one important point is that he was arrested during the individual Satyagraha movement in 1941, and he was sentenced to imprisonment in which district? Firozpur jail. One of the important political and even freedom fighter named is Chaudhry Devilal. He was the CM of Haryana and even the Deputy CM of India. So he is very important for exam point of view, and he was born in a Jat Hindu family on 25th September 1914 in Sirsa. On call from the Mahatma Gandhi, he and his elder brother named Sahib Ram both give up their studies for freedom movement. So this point is also important. And for 1 year sentenced of imprisonment, इनको जेल हो गई थी, and he sent to Hisar jail on 8th October 1930. And he also took part in many movement of 1932 and kept in the Sardar Delhi Thana. Even in 1938, he was selected as a delegate of All India Congress Committee. So चार चीज़ें important है. He is the CM of state of Haryana and Deputy PM of India. एंड महात्मा गांधी जी के कहने पे इन्होंने अपनी स्टडीज़ छोड़ दी थी और ये फ्रीडम मूवमेंट में पार्टिसिपेट किया था. और कौन सी जेल में इनको रखा गया था? हिसार जेल में. और कौन सी कमेटी के साथ ये लिंक्ड है? ऑल इंडिया कांग्रेस कमेटी के साथ. And he was arrested on 5th October 1942 during the Quit India movement for taking part in this movement, and he was also elected member of Punjab Assembly in 1952 में इनको पंजाब असेंबली का मेंबर बनाया गया, and president of Punjab Congress in 1956. Now that's all for today's point. So these all point are very important PT pointers for HCS exam and even other exams also. Like role of Lala Lajpat Rai is very important for other exams. So friends, please keep watching Dream Civil Services and subscribe, like and share this video as you can with your friends. Jai Hind.